Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem. So we have 5,555 squared minus 4,444 squared. And if we have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this can actually be written as a plus b times a minus b. So in this case, 5,555 would be A and 4,444 would be B. So now all we have to do is simply plug these values in for A and B. So this means that 5,555 squared minus 4,444 squared is equal to 5,555 plus 4,444 times 5,555 minus 4,444. So now 5,555 plus 4,444, that is simply 9,999. So we have this times 5,555 minus 4,444 is 1,111. Now 9,999 is the same thing as 10,000 minus 1. So now we have 10,000 minus 1 times 1,111. And now, using the distributive property, we can distribute the 1,111 to both terms. So now 1,111 times 10,000 is simply 1111 with 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1,111 times 1 is just 1,111. So now we have this problem, a huge number minus 1,111, and we could simply do this on paper. We're not going to waste your time by doing that. The answer to this is simply 11,108,889. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential problem without a calculator. So we have the square root of 89 squared minus 39 squared. Now, let's first ignore the square root and just focus on what's inside. So we have 89 squared minus 39 squared, and if we actually have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So now we could simply plug in these values for a and b, and this would make it much simpler to solve. So a here, this is equal to 89, and b, this is equal to 39. So that means that 89 squared minus 39 squared, this is equal to 89 plus 39 times 89 minus 39. So now what we have to do is solve what's in the parentheses. Let's first start with 89 plus 39. 89 plus 39. So 9 plus 9 is 18, so we carry the 1 and put the 8. And 8 plus 3 is 11, and 11 plus 1 is 12. So we have 128. So 89 plus 39 is 128 times, now 89 minus 39 is simply just 50. So we have 128 times 50. Now, let's first ignore the 0 because we could always add it later. Let's just do 128 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 times 10 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14, so we carry the 1. And 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So we get 640. And now we can add in the 0 that we ignored. So 6,400 is our answer. However, we want to find the square root of 6,400. So the square root of 6,400, well, the square root of 64 is 8. So the square root of 6,400, this would be 80. So now this is our answer.